welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful wig in this gorgeous color from Rene of Paris. This is from their Orchid collection, and this is their new wig called Kirby. When I thought of the name Kirby, I always thought of my amazing Sufficient vacuum that I have, the Kirby vacuum. But now I can associate it with this beautiful, beautiful style. Kirby is a synthetic wig, and you have a lace front that transitions into that same material, that lace part, or kind of like a monofilament part. And this warm, rich color is called Caramel Biscotti. Doesn't that sound delicious? I don't know about you, but it does to me, and the color is divine. If you are into those warmer, rich, you know, kind of brunette blonde colors, you may love this one. Caramel Biscotti is a dark blonde with caramel blonde highlights throughout. So definitely that blonde color, like I mentioned. A lot of people feel like dark blonde is similar to light brown. It's kind of right there in the middle. So that dark blonde mixed with the caramel blonde, it just makes such a beautiful, warm, caramel biscotti color. So like I mentioned, Kirby is by Rene of Paris, and it's from their Orchid collection. This is a medium length, high heat friendly wig. So yes, it is synthetic, but it's high heat, meaning it is heat friendly. You can use your heat tools at a low setting and change up this curl, flat iron it, add more of a wave. However you like to wear your hair, you can go take those heat tools and change it up to fit your style preferences. The way the wig comes, you have this mid-length style with these very beautiful, bouncy, voluminous curls. You have a lot of movement with these beautiful curls. In fact, let's show you this beautiful wave and the length from all angles. So pretty. I love this style. Okay, so you have a lace front on this here Kirby wig. Let me show you a close-up. I think it looks really good. Now, because this does have a dark blonde, light brown shade, that can contribute to the more invisible knots, but I feel like all in all, what a great lace front. And then what you have is that middle part. So that lace front transitions beautifully into a part. The density on this wig is light, so it looks full because of the style, but if you feel this hair, you know, it's quite light. The denier, the feel of the fiber, it feels soft, it feels light. It just overall feels great. I would say that the style and that nice voluminous wave is what gives you that more full look. Now, this wig is an average size wig. I would say this Rene of Paris Orchid collection wig is true average in size. My head circumference is 21.5 inches, and this fits me very well from front to back and from ear to ear. So definitely, if you wear average, this is your size. If you wear petite, you might be able to cinch up the adjusters at the nape and make that work. If you wear a larger size, there might be a little wiggle room, but for the most part, this is average. This fits me really, really well. Very comfortable, yet secure. Now let's take this beautiful Kirby wig off and show you guys the underside of the cap construction. So here is a close-up of that lace front that basically transitions into that middle part. I mean, you have a little bit of wiggle room on each side if you wanted to shimmy that part over to the left or right, but for the most part, this is your middle part wig. Now, along this crown area behind that part, you have closed wefting, and I did take a deeper look at these wefts, and there really is like no permatease. So those who are concerned about permatease, or you want to know how much is in a wig, honestly, I do not see really anything. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of, you know, teasing up in the very top of a weft, and I really don't see that. You can see that weft right there, and it's pretty smooth. Now the rest of this cap is wefted, but as you can see, it's close wefted. You have this meshy material that is in between the wefts of the wig and this cap construction. Now they do call the rest of this wig a basic cap or wefted wig, but it's closed wefted, not open wefted. I can't stick my fingers through the wig, as you can see. Now you have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire to have that sit nice and flat against the head. And then you also have a velvet nape with the adjusters. Those adjusters help you loosen and tighten your wig and help it fit more secure and more to your head size. Now here's a closer look of that part and that front hairline. It looks really great. And take a look at those curls and that beautiful caramel biscotti color. It is so pretty. Okay, let's put her back on. So the total weight for this beautiful Kirby wig is 5.92 ounces. It feels nice and light, super bouncy, just awesome. The front of Kirby is 7.5 inches. Your crown is 15 inches, and the nape on Kirby is 11 inches. What do you think of Caramel Biscotti, and what do you think of Kirby by Rene of Paris? I really love this style. I think it's so beautiful. It has just a very glamorous look to it. You could definitely use a clip and just take advantage of these beautiful curls and the nice light density and pull it up. I mean, perfect length for an updo because you don't have too much hair. I don't know, the way that frames the face, that was just such an easy, beautiful style to create just now. But it looks like it could have taken me a lot longer. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. I love this style. Perfect for pulling up. Let me do a turnaround. I mean, I just threw a clip in. I don't know what it looks like in the back. But to me, so pretty. Really cute in a low pony. Just the perfect length, density, and then with those slight curly waves, perfect. Anyway, you guys let me know your thoughts. You know the drill, comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I will have the links to more information about Kirby down below. Go follow me on Instagram and definitely go follow Rene of Paris on their social media platforms. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.